So today we're going to be talking about paper airplanes. There's a few different ways of folding or making paper airplanes, and the way that they fly all depends on how you fold them. So as you can see here, I have two paper airplanes. They look quite similar, but as you can tell, these ones have extra folds right here. So this is paper airplane A, and this is paper airplane B, and I'm going to be showing you how to make paper airplane A. And you'll see in a few short seconds why we're going to be learning how to do this one. Okay, so I'm going to show you why this one, paper airplane A, is better than paper airplane B, or it goes further, and that's why I'm going to show you how to make this one. Ready? And go. Okay, so to start to make a paper airplane, you're going to get an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to fold it in half, hot dog style, making sure that the corners match up. Then you're going to open it up, and you're going to take this corner to that edge, this middle crease right here. And fold it down. And do the same thing on the other side. Then what you're going to do is you're going to fold it so the flaps are on the outside, following along that crease. Then your next step is to take this edge and bring it to this edge. And then you're going to do the same thing. Bring this edge down to the bottom. Flip it around, do the same thing. So this edge to the bottom edge. Oh. And then again. And you open it up, and there you go, paper airplane.